So I'm going to take you through the bit which is put in the horse's mouth. Okay, that is how the jockey also controls the horse. So what we use in the races, what we call an ordinary snaffle. Okay, so this is basically, this part goes into the mouth. These two rings are on the outside where the reins are connected to the and that is how the jockey controls the horse. So this is the part that goes into the mouth. This is the most common bit used because this is what the horse generally requires. So if there are some horses that are a little problematic or they don't adjust to this, so what we say, if the horse has a bit of a soft mouth and if he feels that this bit is a little hard for the horse, then what we use is a rubber bit. So this is an apple mouth rubber bit. It's a softer bit. Okay, it's lesser pressure on the horse, and sometimes on most occasions when the jockey has a little bit of difficulty in handling the horse, if the horse has a soft mouth, we use this kind of bit. It helps, and there is better control for the jockey, and when the jockey is pushing or urging the horse, the response is better. But there are numerous occasions where the horse is a little difficult to handle. Okay, and he's got what we call a harder mouth. So we use this where where the horse constantly takes his tongue up. So this is basically a tongue depressor. So this goes over the tongue, and there is a wide ring around which gives the jockey basically a better control of the horse. So this kind of a bit is used primarily when the horse is playing a lot with his tongue. So when this bit goes on top of the tongue is depressed and it is kept in one place, so the jockey has better control and the horse also performs better, because if the tongue is always constantly in play, then it comes in way of the breathing. Basically there is a science to it, but the horse has a little bit of difficulty in breathing. So that is why this bit is used. It's called a WTP, okay, or in our layman terms it's called a tongue depressor. So this is the bit that we use. There is another bit that comes, it's a similar bit but it's without the tongue depressor. So if the horse is not playing around with the tongue but he still has a hard mouth and the jockey has a bit of a task controlling the horse, we use this bit. It's called a Chifney bit, and this primarily gives the jockey a better control, and the jockey and horse are in sync then. So these are the kind of bits. These are some of the bits that are used. There are various other bits also required, but these are generally the common bits that are used in racing or track work, basically track work and racing, to optimize the performance of the horse. This is the bit. This is the bit that goes onto the bridle, and now this is how you prepare the horse for morning track work or the race. The bit goes into the mouth, and this is the bridle that holds the bit in place. And we have the horse now is ready basically to step out. Like you can see here, the bit is inside, the rings are outside. This is the bridle, and these are the reins that the jockeys control. So this is how the jockey controls the horse. The pressure comes on the mouth, and that's how the jockey is in control of the horse.